Hey y'all, this is Melvin with Narrow Path Roofing and Construction. I'm here with Andre on the job. This is for Mr. John Brown. We're at Billy Powell Road here in Rome, Georgia. About to do some repair work right now. So we're gonna see if this shingle is repairable or not. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Won't prolong. If you can zoom in, just walk in, As you can see, I'm just simply trying to pull the shingle up, and you see we already have this going through the shingle right here. Just wanted to notate that. Once again, you guys see that this is already ripped. Just doing my normal repair work. And you see right here, we have mat transfer right here as well from the shingle. Just wanted to notate that. Once again, the shingle has ripped. Just doing the regular repair work. And once again, we see mat transfer. Mat transfer once again. Mat transfer once again. More somewhere.
Unknown caller.
As we see, here's the crease shingle. We see mat transfer all across this right here, indicating that it's severely brittle. And as you see right here, if I can get my chalk, we have already, this is just the halfway point. We've already had fail. Got crease right here, crease right here, crease right here. Just starting to crease up here a little bit, but these three right here have already failed, and then fail right here as we have matte transfer right here. So, and you see we have the new shingle. Also, we see the color difference from what it was X amount of years ago to what it actually is now. So also want to notate that this wouldn't be a reasonable, obviously we see here already, it's already not reasonable as far as color for the rest of the roof. So just wanted to notate that. All right, guys, this is the ATR. This is the repair work that we have here. And once again, let me mark it again. Fail, fail, fail once again. Crease, crease, crease. And it's just beginning to crease up here. Color is not the same, as we see as well. So that's not reasonable as far as color. And then as you see right here, we have matte transfer already. Matte transfer over here as well, and then you can pan in on the old shingle and see the matte transfer as well. All right, thank you guys.